Hello guys, welcome back. Today I'm in the central London and
ये टूरिस्ट
I'm
प्लेस है,
going
देखिए यहाँ
inside the
कन्नड़ी हल्दी
St.
दिख
Paul
रही है इधर
Church.
प्रकार की।
You know the St. Paul Church, one of the oldest
संदीप
church in
बनाया
the
किस तरह होगा
central
साला ये
London,
सोच।
even in the London city. It is
ये
quite
रनिंग क्यों
bigger.
होगा चुप जा।
I moved to the inside as well in the video ahead. This is
वो
very
सिंगल आ जा।
beautiful scene as you can see here. It's a main church in the lots of tourist visitors and even the local guys
गिलहरी
of the United Kingdom visit here
डर लगा देख कर।
once they when
ये
they
क्या
have a off in a week. It's a very beautiful
ये
place in the
टूरिस्ट है
central
सारे हैं।
London. I oftenly visit
पूरा
here
रह
and
घूमने
it's
की मिली नहीं
quite a
इंद्र जाओ
beautiful, calm and peaceful
ट्रेन के ऊपर।
place. Lots of tourists, local people, British people,
हरियाली दिखाऊंगा तो ना
Scottish,
वहाँ
Irish people visit here to spend their off times in a week.
और
Moving, you can see there is a lot of Japanese people. This little girl, there is a lot of tourists. I see. Now you can
ये
see
खुद
the
रहे
this is the main entrance of the St. Paul
हम तो
Church.
ना कभी नहीं आया फोटो फाटो ही खिंचवा
You
लेंगे।
can see there is a lot of people visit here. You can see how big this is.
टिकट
This is
अरे
really nice and beautiful. Entry from this way is not. We can enter from the another gate because today is off day here and it's not permissible to enter from this gate. Now you can see the St. Paul Church.
कोई
It's
जा तो रहा है।
very beautiful scenes here. Very beautiful. You can see it's a rainy day as well here in the London today. So you can see there's a lot of
मेन
people
एंट्रेंस इज हियर।
moving here to visit here to see the beauty of this church. It's one of the oldest church in the United Kingdom and a lot of people enjoying this scenery. So now
देख
if you're
जुगाड़
going to the
देखे
inside of this
युद्ध
church, you can see the dome of the St. Paul Church. Very
टिकट है
beautiful
इसकी।
scene here in the London. It's in located in
टिकट
the
नहीं है तो
central
चल।
London. Now we trying to move to the inside of the St. Paul Church
कुछ
and there is a
कुछ
lot
तो
of
पीछे
shops for
चल।
shopping inside the this church. Now we're trying to move to the inside of this church. First we need to clear the security and then we're moving ahead. Now they checking something and then we going to moving inside of this church.
ओके
You can see we need to go to downstairs
दिस इज
if we
शॉपिंग।
want. Now
ओके
let's go. We need to move to the downstairs
चीयर्स।
for this church. Now you can
अगर
see
सोमवार का शनिवार तो
the
पे
roof
करना
of this
पड़ेगा।
church is
आज
in
तो प्रे
old
होने
British
में चर्च
style
में जाएंगे हम पागल
because
है।
this is built
थोड़े दिन में
very
घुस
while
जाएंगे।
ago,
दुकान ना
like walls,
बड़ा
like
बैठ दिया
doors,
गुफा में आवे।
all old fashioned like walls. There is a typical walls of the St. Paul Church.
अरे देखा तो मिल गई और क्या नहीं गिरे। वे
Now
अंदर
you
तक
can
गया।
the scene you can see in the scenery of the St. Paul Church. This is made by the stone, by hand cutting by the at that time. You can see
वॉशरूम है।
इसका मेन दिखाइए अंदर रेस्टोरेंट शुरू हो रहे हैं इनका देखो।
you can see some shops here. If you want to buy something, then you need to come here and buy. This is something novels. This is something book to guide to visit here in the London and
6
in
पाउंड की
the
लेनी है।
English language. These are some
साढ़े मुंह
items
नहीं
if
खुल
you
रहा है उधर
want to
पतीले नहीं देने
buy.
पड़ते हमें।
These
दूर से
are
देंगे।
the made khadi, Indian khadi, and some woolen as well. Really beautiful to see.
कप ओ
It's quite
किसी को गिफ्ट देना हो
pleasant and watchful to
ये
see.
डायरी ले
Everything is nicely perfect. This is something £14 if you want to buy this. Quite expensive. But this is the main place of the central London.
मेन चीज़ें देख।
So this is not so much expensive for the tourist people. This is really nice shops here.
कार्ड बोल रहे था
If you are tourists and want to explore the London, then you need to come here once. If you when you come to here in the central London, there is a lot of stickers, wall stickers as well, that decode the London beauty. And this is the map of the London Tube, London Metro, London City. If you are new here, then you can buy this map and moving ahead with the help of this map. Quite interesting scenario in the St. Paul Church. Because this is the time of the Christmas is very near, so lots of shops sell something that belongs to the Christmas things. Very beautiful. Even cups, the candles, balls. This is something
छोटा
gift if you want to give some gift to any of your relatives or any,
नून नहीं
and
खाओ
you
भाई
can
मेरे
give this gift to them. This is really beautiful here. This is again the book. If you are new here and you don't know anything, then you can purchase this book from the St. Paul Church, and even from that of help you can explore the London city. This is for the children. This is the map of the London, and this is the beautiful drawing by any of the architects by hand, by pencil, and their pencils. And this is really beautiful handmade scenery
नून जाओ संदीप
of
ये
the
देख
St. Paul Church for
ये किसी
selling,
ने
and
नहीं
it's
हाथों पे बना
around
रखी पेंटिंग और बैठा
60
पत्थर
pound
पे
if you want to buy this
हाथ बन दी ये
handmade
हाथ
scenery of
पेंसिल
the
के लो
St. Paul Church, and then you can buy from here. It's around 60 pound, and one of them is 30 pound as well. This is again some photos of St. Paul Church. We are in the inside of the St. Paul Church, and these are some beautiful pictures by handmade of the St. Paul Church. These are some again bags, carry bag, £2 each. This is some stickers of the St. Paul Church, on the London bus, the playing cards. Very beautiful here. Love to watch all these things here inside of the central London.
और ये
These are
का फोटो
some cards having some pictures of London scenery in this card. So some lockers, some stickers. This is quite watchful, and it's looking very beautiful scenery here in the St. Paul Church. Amazing, it's a very amazing here. This is again some carry bag, £6. This carry bag is £6, and the cups £4. This is as I told you earlier, Christmas time is very near, so lots of visiting card as well here. If you want to wish anyone, then you can buy the visiting card, wish card, the greeting card from there and give to them. Lots of tourists even here to buy things from here. This is again some books as well in the English literature. Lots of tourists come to here to buy something and make some memories from London. This is some stickers having Jesus on that, some stickers, some chain.
क्या है? एक मिनट आया.
You can see. And this is some pictures of Jesus on that. And it's a wearing costing £69 of that. It's very
मैं तो छोड़
expensive
देना
if
मारा
you want
मतलब
to
कि
buy
मैं
from here.
समझी गया सारे
This is again
ब्रेसलेट.
some stickers.
ओके था.
It's very interesting to see. Some wooden works on the Jesus picture on the inside. Really beautiful to see. Everything is managed and looking beautiful. This is again some books, some novels in the English literature.
आजा
Very beautiful.
आजा
You can see from here. So this is all
आजा.
about all the style of the books and all the scenery from inside the St. Paul Church as I see to you. So lots of gentlemen and ladies are enjoying their coffee as well here inside the St. Paul Church. So this is all about the inside of the shopping stall of the St. Paul Church. This is the scenery as we see earlier, made by the hand cut. So now we going outside from the St. Paul Church. So this is all about from the inside of the St. Paul Church that is located in the central London, one of the main church in the central London, as we explore from the outside and from the inside as well. So if you want to visit London at any time, then you need to visit here because it's very beautiful and quite large as well. So it's all